This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a mouse pointer trail in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To create a mouse pointer trail in Windows 11, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Mouse and click on Mouse. Then you want to go down to where you see it says Related Settings, and underneath that, Mouse Pointer and Touch. It says Pointer Size and Color. You want to click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. And then right down here, Mouse Pointer Trails. Make mouse pointer movement easier to see by showing previous positions for a short time. You would enable this right here. And then down below that, if you have it enabled, this next line will appear, Mouse Pointer Trail Length. The further you move the slider to the right, the further your mouse pointer trail will be. The further you move it to the left, the shorter your mouse pointer trail will be. But that is how to create a mouse pointer trail in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.